Okay, this is a Raynor 10 by 8 insulated door running double low headroom track with inside bottom brackets so that the springs rotate in the normal direction. This door has already toasted the gear assembly in an 8500. The Genie was not strong enough to compress the push down springs on either side, and it has thrown cables multiple times over the last few weeks. So we told them, Guardian to the rescue. Let's see if it works. After I knock the guy's trolling motor down. Alright, door opening normal. Let's see if we can compress this. Oh yeah, that's nice. You think that's nice, Dave?
That's nice.
I think it's important to note that right now there's the push down springs and cable keepers, and this door is running without a cable tension monitor. Lock is working, both remotes, no issues. Keypad fired right up. Now it's a wait and see, but being that this is the first jack shaft that was able to compress the push down springs, confidence is high.